In today's video, I will show you guys how to install and play Ben 10 Protector of Earth on any mobile device using the PPSSPP emulator. I will also be giving you guys the best settings to apply to your PPSSPP emulator to give you smooth gameplay and high FPS as well. Now simply open your Play Store app and search for PPSSPP. Once you search for this, you are going to see this normal PPSSPP emulator, but for this video we are not going to be using this. We are going to be using the PPSSPP Gold emulator. So download this emulator to your Android device or any of your device and then open the emulator. Once you open the emulator for the first time, it's going to ask you to create a PSP folder. So simply just click on OK. Once you click on OK, just choose any folder that you want it to use. As for me, I like it using my document folder, so I'll click on document, use this folder, allow, then I'll click on OK. Once we've done this, it's going to bring us to the PSP interface. As you can see, there's no Ben 10 game in here to play right now. That's because we have not actually shown it where we are keeping our game files. Now all you have to do is click on this browse button that you can see at the top. Once you click on it, just go to your main directory and then go and select any folder that you know that you're actually keeping your Ben 10 game file. As for me, mine is in the download section, so I'll click on download. You see download, you can see my Ben 10 game file, or rather my Ben 10 PSP game file is in here. So all I have to do is just click on use this folder, allow. Now you can see that the game is here, but it's not ready to play because we have to install this game. To install it, simply click on it and then click on install, and it's going to start installing the game on your emulator. Right now it is done installing. So if you look at what they are saying, you see a section there that says installed, which means that it is done installing. So once you click back, you can see that the game is here and is ready to play. Now the best settings that you guys have to use to get the best performance, I already have a dedicated video for that, and I'm going to recommend it at the end of this video. But if you won't be chance to wait for the end of this video to get that settings, then simply just apply these settings, because once you apply these settings that I'm about to show you right now, you'll still be able to get some good gameplay. So just click on this frame skipping, put it to 3, auto frame skip, turn it on, and you should be good to go. So let's see how this game goes. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.